What makes this Porsche one of the most purest driving machines ever built by Porsche? It isn't the most powerful 911 and it isn't the most expensive car either. Yet enthusiasts around the world loves this car a lot. Today we are going to see the Hot Wheels Porsche 911 Carrera T, and by the end of this video you'll get to know why this beauty deserves a place in every Porsche fan's collection. Hey collectors, welcome to the channel Collect with me. If you love Hot Wheels, diecasts and everything automotive, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I bring you brand new reviews and detailed looks of some of the coolest Hot Wheels out there. Before opening it, let's take a look at the packaging. The artwork looks absolutely stunning, showcasing the sleek and timeless design of the Porsche 911 Carrera T. Even before opening the blister, you can already tell this casting represents one of the world's most iconic sports cars. Alright, let's jump onto the car itself. The very first thing that grabs my attention is the classic 911. Hot Wheels has done an excellent job recreating its signature sloping roofline, rounded headlights, wide rear fenders, and low athletic stance. These are the details that have made the Porsche 911 instantly recognizable for over 60 years. The paint finish looks clean and premium, while the wheels perfectly match the sporty personality of the Carrera T. Looking at the front, you can see the aggressive bumper and iconic circular headlights. From the side, the smooth body lines and perfectly balanced proportions really stand out. And at the rear, the sleek tail lights and wide stance gives it that unmistakable Porsche look. Despite being just a small 1:64 scale model, Hot Wheels has captured the character of the real car incredibly well. I am in love with the detailing. Hot Wheels has done the mini GT level of detailing in this Porsche. As you see the 911 Carrera T logo at the back and the Porsche logo in the front, the detailings are actually top notch. Now here's something really cool. The real Porsche 911 Carrera T is a car built for the driving enthusiasts who believe that less is more. The T stands for Touring, a name inspired by the lightweight 911 models from the late 1960s. Instead of focusing only on horsepower, Porsche made it lightweight and more engaging to drive. It features a twin-turbo flat-six engine mounted behind the rear wheels. It delivers an amazing performance while still maintaining the perfect balance that the 911 is famous for. That's exactly why many Porsche enthusiasts consider this car to be one of the most rewarding 911S to drive. Overall, I think this is an outstanding diecast with a lot of detailings. If you are a Porsche enthusiast or someone who simply loves collecting Hot Wheels, this is definitely a piece worth adding to your collection. So rate this car from 1 to 10 and tell me in the comments, would you keep this beauty sealed or open it? So see you guys soon in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. Who knows, next car could be your dream collectible.